guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I decorate my living room tree. And I say my living room tree because I'm going to have a tree in the kitchen as well with a different theme. But for now, I have just went upstairs and got all of my decor and laid it all out and kind of organized it as much as I could out of the tubs and everything, so I could see what I have and what I have to decorate. Most of the stuff I'm going to decorate with I have already had. I got most of it from Hobby Lobby, and then some things came from Big Lots and Dollar Tree. So everything you see on my tree is super affordable. I only picked up a few new items this year, so like I said, I shopped my own collection and I'm decorating with what I already have. So I'm going to start off by doing my feather boas. I got these at Hobby Lobby and I used them last year as well. I'm going to put a picture of my tree last year and my tree when it's finished this year on Instagram. So if you want to check that out, my Instagram is linked down below. But I'm so excited to be decorating this year because this is a new tree. I got this tree from King of Christmas and it is the most beautiful tree that I have ever owned. It's so full. I love that it's flocked. I just think it is so pretty. And I do also have a 10% discount code with them if you want to get yourself a tree or get a tree for someone else. They also have garland and wreaths and decor. So I will leave that link and that discount code down below so you guys can check it out if you want to. And now I'm just going to go in with a few picks. Normally I start off with the biggest ornaments, but I had so many of the same picks that I wanted to go ahead and spread them throughout. Normally I would start with the bulbs that are the biggest, but this is how it worked out for me this year. So I went ahead and started with my picks, and all of these picks are from Hobby Lobby. And I didn't mention earlier, but this is the 7-foot Prince flocked tree. I got the one that was not pre-lit, so I did go ahead and put my own lights on there. And I like to do the clear lights or the white lights. I just think those look best because this is a like winter themed tree. I know that this isn't everyone's style. Not everyone likes a really muted and just like wintry looking tree, but I am going to also be doing a traditional tree. So keep an eye out for that video and don't forget to subscribe. And if you hit the bell, it will notify you when all of my videos go up so you won't miss it. I will also be doing a hot cocoa bar that will be traditional as well. So don't forget to check those out, and I will have everything down below in a playlist. All of my Christmas 2019 videos will be right there in that playlist so that you guys can find them really quickly and easily. Now I'm doing something a little bit different than what most people do. I'm actually just taking strips of ribbon instead of a whole roll, and I'm just kind of putting them throughout in different directions. I just like the way this looks. I don't know, instead of just one big ribbon going through the tree, I kind of like it to be sporadic, and I think it looks super cute. Do any of you guys do your ribbon this way, or do you do it a different way, or do you not use ribbon at all? Let me know down below in the comments. And here is the tree, y'all. I really, really love these owls and these big giant flowers. I'll probably pick more stuff up to put on this tree. Let's just be real. I go to Hobby Lobby all the time. Please don't forget to stick around for more videos. And then my final home tour, my Christmas home tour, will be up as well. I also want to tell you guys this tree skirt came from Hobby Lobby. It's 50% off right now. So if you guys want to pick one up, it's so cute. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you stick around for more Christmas videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.